I dash to cinema every Saturday. The options are A. Go, B. Goes, C. Am going, D. Have gone. The right answer is I go to cinema every Saturday. Question number 2. She dash for her exams at the moment. Option A study, option B studies, option C is studying, option D have studied. And the right answer is she is studying for her exams at the moment. He dash in the bank. Option A works, option B work, option C is working, option D have worked. Right answer is A. He works in the bank. Question number 4 is don't disturb him. He dash. Option A is reads, option B read, option C is reading, and option D is have read. And the right answer is don't disturb him. He is reading. Question number 5 is come in. We dash dinner. Option A is has, option B is have, option C is having, and option D is are having. And the right answer is come in, we are having dinner. Question number 6 is look the train dash. Option A is comes, option B is come, option C is coming, and option D is have come. And the right answer is look, the train is coming. Question number 7 is she often dash late in the class. Option A is comes, option B is come, option C is coming, option D is have come. And the right answer is she often comes late in the class. Question number 8 is I rarely dash a tie in summer. Option A is wears, option B is wear, option C is am wearing, option D is have worn. And the right answer is I rarely wear a tie in summer. Question number 9 is he dash his teeth twice a day. Option A is brush, option B is brushing, option C is brushes, and option D is has brushed. The right answer is he brushes his teeth twice a day. Question number 10 is don't you see? She dashed the cartoons. Option A is watches, option B is watching, option C watch, option D has watched. And the right answer is don't you see? She is watching cartoons.